Malola malia ho e ki molele e tonga hono kotoa. Fefia ki au talitalele ki mautolu ki o mo uni o ngongo me le te o, ka muafu ke televisione tonga ki he hauani. Wakai koia ki he ngahi ulu i o ngongo. Mea a prinisi tau wha ahau o whailonga i aneafi ai aho whamaman lahi o o seni. Alelea pale mea o tonga me pale mea o haamoa, ke toi whakatuu ai halanga wakapuna wholau fo o hanga tono me tongani ki haamoa, pea mi haamoa ki tongani. Pea ola le nei, ahono ngawe ake senta fitu utaki tokoni ai potongai whanua mo kolof kai natula, ki ono tali e ngahi launga e kakai whikau aki me kawenga ki he kelekele. E te ia ipe me ngahi talanoa ke he anayangi, whataha me wakai ki whamumitaha me he mala e oe sipoti, ka e uma afoki ai whakamatala ea. Ka koe wakai lewa eni ki he whakai kiki, ko au senorita tu i vai. Na e kau whataha tongani mga i whanua ni ihi mamani, hona whailonga i ai aho whakamamani lahi oi o sini aneafi. Na e whailonga i ake aho mahu ingani ake ai whaka ofisiale, ahono tuku atu ai tohi koe talanoa ki a mele mo e mape oi o sini. Ko taha eni i he makamaile mahu inga i he waa a takai oi potungai Meidek, i hona whakamanatua ai aho mahu inga oi o sini, ko e whatamua ke mahino i he whanau ako, ai whanua ai mahu inga ahono tauhi ke malo mo hao ai o seni. Ko e polo kalamani na iai tonu ali te atau kapo o ne mai whakaiki i talanoa ko iaki he hawani.
I he polo kalamani na me ai ai tama pilinisi tau whaahau manu mataongo o whakailonga i ai tohi ko e ni aki a ene fuafua mea o lau ai tohi. Ko tohi ko ni na whauia e whanonga wainga mawhileo.
Inside was a rolled up map, but not a map of the land. A map of the ocean, Miller whispered.
Ko e tau mua ao na whau ai tohi koe ni ke mahu inga ke whanau ako, e nau kau ke whatongia ke ono tauhi ai malu mo i maa ai o seni, kai pehe ki he tau tangata ka hoko mai. Lolo tonga ai polo kalama, nai me ai Princess Kalauni Sinai Takala, o whakamama whai ai mahu inga ke tauhi mo tokanga i ai o seni, koi uhi koi o seni o ku aonga lahi ki he tangata i he anga o e nofo. Nāne toi mea o pehe, koi konga lahi e lia o tonga, koi o seni, pe au kuto tonu ke whakamahu inga i e he taha ko toa ai o seni, koi uhi ko toko lahi taha ai ngai whamili o ku nau mao anga mo ui me o seni. Hilia, nai whakahokoa i he pule lahi o potu ngau e Meidek, sione a kau ola. A ene lea o pehe, koe kātoanga o e ahoni, koe whakamanatu tonuia a ki tau tolu tonga, koe kakai o e o seni. I kai ngatai, ka kohono whakamea tokoni, kai pehe ke no wheau ai mo ui whakaaho o ki tau tolu tonga. Ka, koe mea mahu inga, koe ui ai mahu inga ki ono puke puke, a hono ngawe aki, whakafuafua ai o seni, kai pehe ki ngawe mahu inga ki hono tauhi mo maa ai o seni. Lolo tonga eni, nai whakahoko ai ai o au tofi keke, koe konga eni hono whakailongai ai aho mahu ingani, nai whakahoko ia i he prinisi tau whaahau manu mataongo. Na i he polo kalamani e whānawa ko me kolisi ko tupou, a pia ko maolunga o tonga, kolisi up for o, Ocean of Light, mo ia ko loto loto o pule anga. Nā nau whakahoko ai e nau ngahi hiva. From shallow water to the deep sea flows. Me lau mau.
Malo Lele. It is an honor to represent my school, Tonga High School, in this commemoration.
We, the students of Tupou College, have gathered here this morning so that we may support Prince Tauwhahaman Matango and the motion that states that we should all protect our environment.
Kai pehe ki ngai lea whekau aki mo mau inga o e o seni, mo e whatongia takitaha ki ono tauhi ke malu mo maa ai o seni. Koe kātoanga o e ahoni, ki hono whakamanatua ai aho mahu inga koe ni. O whakahama iai ai ngahi ngā ue mahu inga, o whakahoko e he pule anga mo e whanua, ki ono tauhi ai malu mo e hao o e o seni. Ma ai o ngonga le tio me televisione Tonga, ko auritea tau kapo.
Nā e whahako ane awhiwhi mea ake pale mea Tongano pele whawhanua mo pale mea o Haamoa, la uli lea maria toa Shamit o whatamu a ki he whetu utaki wā ofi mo e tuuloa o iongo whunua. Koe taha ai ngāhi ka veinga nei whai kia e mea ake, koe whiema o ke toi whukotuu ha halanga whakapuna hanga tonu mi Haamoa ki Tongani, pia mi Tongani ki Haamoa o ikai ke toi whō iha toi whunua ke he. Ko taha ka veinga nei whai kia e mea ake ko e ni, koe whiema o ke toi whukotuu ha halanga waka puna hanga tonu mi Haamoa ki Tongani, pia mi Tongani ki Haamoa o ikai ke toi whō iha toi whunua ke he. Koe whakataha koe ni, koe konga i whakailonga i ena tulatatau ai whakatuutu whapolitikale ai ongo taki, ai ena ana takitaha hoko koe sea whalea lea i ongo whunua ki mo api ana toki hoko ki he lakanga palemia. Nei kaua e pēme ka veinga ki ngahi mea o tonu ki tukanga i kina uluaki i he ongo whunua, pe he ko whenga maali e ni ke toi whakamallohia ai whengawe aki ai wā o Tongani mo Haamoa. Lolo tonga iana e mau whenga maali e pēpare e miano pere whawhanua ki toi whakataha pea moe e iki sea whalealea ko ia ofisi Honourable Filimone Chitoko i he ngahi kawenga ke he pē. Na hoko te pē mo e ne whakataha whakawaha apure anga, pea moe tokon pale e mia, ka koe Minister ki muli anu usila Right Honourable Winston Peters i Haamoa i pē ane awhi. Na e whakate whitai whakataha koe ni ke he kawenga whikau ake moe mau anga i vi moe lolo, mohono whakawhihoa naki ai whakamole whakapaanga ai ongo whanua, ai a Tongani pia munu usila ki he whakamole ko ia ai totongi oi koloa lolo. Nei kau ke ai me ka veinga ki he whaihia whakawaha apure anga, pe ki he malo kau a whanua mo e whengawe aki ki he sektoa tautahi. Nei mea i pēnau pele whawhanua o a ahi ki he taha i ngahi kautaha lalahi i Haamoa koe Whero, a ia koe kautaha ngahi koloa e ni o whou i Haamoa, pea toki tu whaki atu ki a ngahi maketi i to apure anga. Koe whainga maari e ni ke mea tonu ai ai pale mia ki he whounga, e lava, pe malava hi ngahi business whaloto whanua o whakatupu, ha ngawe tu uloa, whakatau kei i ngahi ngawe whateknikale, pe he ke toko ne businessi ke he tupu whaekonomika o e whanua ko ia. Kai ke hoi ai whakaama no pele whawhanua ko i ngahi ako anga e ni ki ngahi whanua i Pasifiki, i e whakatupu ai pa anga whaloto whanua, pe he ke whakai ai kakai ke taktaha mau ha anau mau anga pa anga, i hana whakatu ha businessi whakaloto whanua. Ogu i kai ke tai tuku haiwe potungai whanua mo i kolowhkai na tula ki hono tāli ngahi launga ai kakai, pe he ke whakahoko i he wawetaha ai mea kwhia mau e he kakai o whekau aki mo e nau ngahi mea whakakelekele. Nei whakotua he potu ngāwe ha senta whitu utaki o whakotua ki ai ngahi laine telefoni ta e totongi e tolu i he whakaamu ke whakawhaingofua i ange ki he kakai o whanua i he taimiok nau whia whitu utaki ai mo Moimoi i pe wakai i e tūkunga o i ai e nau ngahi kōle whilawe i mui ngahi kawenga kelekele pe ko hawha ahinga kawenga pe ok nau tukanga ki ai ki he potu ngāwe ni. I he mea minister potu ngāwe whanua mo i kolowhai na tula to ke tāta nila fusimalohi na anipihe o kumagatu o ngā hono whakatu o senta whitu utaki ko e ni, ko hui ko lahi ngai whakamole, ko whai he kakau e whanua tau te whito ki he kāinga mei tu apure anga. I he enau whainga mai ki Tongani ke wakai i enau ngahi kole, pe hakaweinga pe i loto i he potu ngā weni. Nā toi mea fusimalohi ko i mahina pe ene taha mo i konga e whakatu e senta ko e ni, mo i ola lelea ngā ue whakahoko e he kau ngā ue ki heni ihi, ko nau whitu utaki mai ki he laine telefoni mo e-maili ai potu ngā ue.
Aka mahina ni taha mo i konga ni lele mau call center, nau osi mau e call ni mangi au tupu, ni mangi au tau noa, po nau osi tali he call ko ia e pesede hiwa nima, whange au nima fitu. Koe e-mail e hiwa taha nau osi mau. Pea oku nau osi lava pe o foki mo e tali ki e-mail e nima noa. Ai koe e-mail, koe whi mau whakamatala ia mo e whi mau a tali ki he nau ngahi ngāwe ko o mai ki he poto ngāwe. Ai koe lele call center he taimi. Albeke mau ripoti e maina ko toa pe e nau ngāwe.
Ko e ngāhi laine tai totongi e tolu ko ene senta whitu utaki ni aia koe whitu whā noa taha tolu noa taha. Whitu whā noa taha tolu taha walu, whitu whā noa taha tolu wanoa. Ko konga ene ngāwe potu ngāwe ke ngā unu ki mua, pe a whakalakalaka a hono toka ngai kina ai poli o ku whihangahangai mo i kakai, pe he ki he potu ngāwe. Pea koe uhi koe lahe we sia tamake ka kai Tonga me he mahaki I kai ke pipihi pe NCDs. O te ai we sia I he konga kehe o sido o kau ke ai me we sia I fofonga pe mata. O ke palani me fotutu e potu ngawe mo ui ke he fokotuu pe langa ha fale tafa mata fo o I tongani koe uhi ki o te whawhalala hono whawhola watu ai ka kai Tonga ki tu apuleanga.
Oku iai ai palani ai pot ngawe mo ui, ke langa ha whale tawha mata ma kehe I he whale mahaki vaiola, ko uhi ko alu ke toi toko lahiangi ai kakai oku nau tala ki vaiola, oku wesia a e nau wakai pe sio. I e mea ai minista pot ngawe mo ui, wakawa me liku. Oku lahi ai ngā ue mo e palani whakotu utu whakalakalaka ke pot ngawe. Ko hui ke malawa o whiau pe I tongani, ai ngai whai to'o o I kai ke toi whakawhalala ki whakawholau ai kaupuke ki tua pureanga.
Whai sio ko I ngā peke whakalahe ngā hita whakeke, pa mo sio ke ai ha whale tawha mata. E tai ni mi whong lau vai wahe pe ngai whieda koni o ngāwe e kohe he pot ngāwe, ka wai ke sio pe lawa ai ha whale ma kehe pe ke matau, mai no ni mahu I ngānge lahiange ai ngai ngāwe ke whai ki he fofonga koni o tau kakai, Pago hange pego mo whawhanau ai, he tu e tai ni me ofe pisete waru noa, ai ko pekia ko I toga ni me ofe pisete waru noa o whikawaki mo NCT, peko toto marunga, peko mafu, peko suka, peko la mea pehe, ai wau kawai pa mo mahino ai mo afeki koin, ai fofonga mo, ai sio koin ho tau kakai, pa mahuinga ke ia ha dedicated resources, peko ngai whale peheni, ke nau togonia ai tawhang mahuinga koin I o tau kakai. Koe ko hinga pe, koe unga ke mai sio, ka ko hinga pe, he unehanga mo ia afeki, ai ngā aue, mau moui anga ai tō taha ko ia, pe ko ni ako, pe ko ala mea pe. Ai e koe ngai whektoa ke o mahuinga ai, ke whai ai sio ke langa tau pehe ai tawhaki mahuinga koe ni. Pane kawain pa mono saini lewa pa mo e whea MOU, pa mo e kau taha nau tonga e mata ko e Fred Hollows, ko inga peke toi sio, mai nau expertise mo e nau toko ni nā lawa hange kon ko e whieta kon nau lau ki tawha mata, nā lawa whaita toi la ngā ka nau whakanau e nau tolu.
Kai kehe, o iai a tokoni ke whai hasio ke whakalele I ai taha o ngahi loki taha I vaiola ke tawha pe ai tui I tongani. Ma ai o ngonga le tiom televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Uni o ngonga whalotu whanua ke hauan te tawakaile waheni ke whamui taha, mei he mala e o sipoti, pia mo pia o lie.
I he whetaki nima e komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potu ngāu e ngahi ngāu e whalota whanua pē mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiau I Super Rugby Pacific Monoa ua no. Whamalo ke 8 minista me tawha I sipoti ai potu ngāu e I whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malo mo tau ki whilongo ki koe whakain ke mala e o sipoti. Oku takoni e fua on tōka ngā ki he whemau whakapaanga e sipoti I taro e whito ki he langa ngā ue ku whahoko mi he mala e o e fuhu. Kono whahain he Palestine kau taha fuhu atonga na ki ta tui tawaki I Polokalama wakai me tapai lai ne ai komisoni whamawholare atonga. I whamatala I Palestine koe ko ngai ne palani ki hono langa e whare fuhu ai kau taha fuhu I whengai aki mo ko sili o Tongatapu uluaki whafou I whafofonga David Apuroka.
Oku mau toio mau tolu to mo mau ngoe o wai e mau fa ma ngoe I uta oku ai ke to o spalau e mau fui te au ma to ke to mo mau talo mo me o hinga ko taimi ke ave pegi no sila he ku ai peka me ai no sila ko taimi ko te mau alo ai ki no sila me o ku ai pegi ko ine ka ure ka ke na wo fa ia ke na lo to mo me mo na no fo fie mari e aki mau ko mau tu ko ni ko mau to ko ni o ku ia e mau to tu o mau to lu uta o mau ki to mau to ki uta ke finance ko ni ai fuhu o so o ku os to mau ngo to yu to ne mau malo ko to vilo ko no wa ko ni mau lose mo me ko te wi ke to ko ni ke fu ke alu ko ni fu mo me ko mo fa malo at pe fa mali ko ni fa malo la yet ke mo fa fofonga ene tu ta fa aki he mau me ko ia be fo ki ku ne langa e mau fare fuhu ko pe na ta para ni mo me o ha ka mau to pau lele ia bita de vita ke mau fuhu
I he taim de tau nei whaha e whea ko whafonua pita kenke ko whiau i hono ua, whaha ko mi ahawa wha, ua nima mo wao no mahina ni, pia ko mateu te ua e whea ko pe me ngahi kalampu i Tongatapu ni, ki hono malu i hao mo malu o e whanau fuhu.
Mea rei ke mouto e poupou mai ko e kau whaiako kanau o si teu i nau tolu ke whataimi ko ni ki whiau he kou whahoko ko e hoko mai mautu na men ki he mahina ni. Lere fugai tuna men e Sunrise Boxing Club o ku lere ko iau ku lere aho tolu. Pa koe tuna men ko iau ku pau ke kau katoa kai u kalapu koe mahuinga koe al whakalapu ko hinga ke safety ko hono training e whanau he kuai pe lao o ku wakoi kai whanau ki hono whakamahu i koe fuhu. Kau kai ke pehe ulaka ke kau whaiako ko ni hato ita. Ko hinga pe koe kau takata ko nina nau o ako mai ki hono Wakoi ko kare ka fuhu ke feunga mo la ko whamau ia ke whakamau i loto ko hi fuhu. Ka pau hau haka fuhu ia mo whai ka fuka ke. He kai ke whamau ia ke mau ate whamalo ka motolu. Oe tau hanga tuen ke tau fuhoko. Pako kore ate ho nai mātua ho mo tau ni ho mo whanau mo popou mai ke tau ngaue. Mahu e pe marong.
Ro tonganina e wha he sikei tai se niare e lone tāmi lau o ku mahu inga ke toi whakaivia be mo kau whakamau ke na panga maari e ta whaaki hono kotoa pe i hono pātoro aki e tare niti haka tupu o e whanua.
Ka koe mea mahu inga o hange koe ni koe whi auhi koe ni umea o ku national koe mau hausi koe ni koe ake hako e katopa te mau kore ai ko inga ke lawa ke o mai hakau tamaku na osi qualified as referee ke na o mai ke lere ha mau ki me ka hiri e fe ha ko si lava mau ka tama na lava pe fo ke ka mau ka tama ko coaches na e lava pe mau lere sumu pe o lava ai pe o fa pasi na lo foi to tolu tongani so na kai fe mau ke na alu ai ko ngai fa nga mari e pe e lava ka go tu mahalo i ta fa ko coaches ku pau pe ke fa ha ko ia physically ko nga ko ko paupe ke na ona tola experience i ngai fu pa ko tu mahalo ko tu ngai ko ku ia ko ni mo mau fe ahui o ku mau ke ngau e mau puke mai peni i na o si coach me ka all rounders ange ko loni ko William mo na puke mai na toke na o mai pio tokon i ngai fe ko ni anga lau ai coach apita o mau inga ko focus ia ko mau tol ko ko safety ko me ko popola ko safety ko fa nau.
Kai ke he kui New Zealand te vita malpo, be mi he kau taha fuhu atonga whawhikiki i he whiahui ko ia Golden Gloves, ai a wola lele au pito ne whaari ari mo te waki o whainolo. Ko e mala e pe ia sipoti.
Ko pia o lie me whamimita me mala e o sipoti te tau wakailewa heni ki he tuunga o ea. Tuku mai me senta whamatala ea tongai whaamotu, whahaukatea e inoke lelenga.
Malo e lau maari hou eiki pa moe lili ai tonga koto, tai reiping motol ki he tau whakamatala ea. Pa moe wakai koe ki he tūngai whakamatala ea ki hou au a whaa koe ka hoko mai whatoa ngai angi hoko pe alo maari e ia ki he kotoa oi otu tonga ki he hou au a whaa koe ka hoko mai. Tuku ke he ange ai haviri e ke iangi malohi ange pe o au ki haviri hako tau te whito pe nia ki whakatoke lau ki he ongo ni wā. Ka koe imisi satellite no e ahoni, hanga peko haat pe mehe imi satellite na lahi alo maari pe o tau ngahi wahe whanua i ahoni, pe mehe whakatoke lau pe mehe ongo niwa o au ki Tongatapu pe mo ewa. Lahi alo maari pe o tonga tau whai whanunga mai ahoni. Tuke hangi, a ngahi au maulalo o kune ngā unu mai pa mehe hake, pa mo e tonga hake ki o tau ngahi wahe whanua. O ne oma ngai uha tu moto, maa pe hangahi fei tu e ni I kana e lahi ki alo maari pe o tonga I he ahoni. Ko tunga ko tau ngahi whatokanga au ki tupe whatokanga hako ki he wahi whanua ko ia o iongo niwa pia mo tau ngahi potahi ki tupe whatokanga hako whare I ke ngahi whakai ki he potutahi ko ia o iongo niwa wa uka pēwhoki ki haapai. Aho koe ni maka hoko mai koe alo maari e ni o kune pure I hake tuunga ko ia o ea ki he aho koe ni maka hoko mai o kune ki toka ia ki he whakatonga. Pa koe alo maari e ne o me toka anga haviri pa me he hahake pa mo toka hake pēwhoki ki hako ko ia I he whakatoke lau. Kai kamata ia pongpong o au ki he aho e ni maka hoko mai kamata anga u ke kahau e whakau ke unu e alo maari e koe ni ki he whakahahake. Pe te kai haviri o me mei ke angi pa me he hahake toke lau hake ki he whakatonga I he whakao singa ko ia au ike. Kau whae tokanga ko hiko alo tāmaki tene ngā unu mai ki he vai whanua ko ia o Tongatapu pa mo e ua. Whakafofua ke kamataanga ia e uike kahau, kamataanga e uike kahau. Alo tāmaki ko ni tene ngā unu mai ke vai whanua o Tongatapu pa mo e ua. Pa mo uha tū moto malawa ke lolo lahi I hangahi taimi. Whamtala e koe pa me he pōni o au ki he pongpong ko ia a pongpongi. Whatoa ngā iange e lahi alo maari e pe o tūtonga I he tau whae whanongat koe pa me he pōni o au ko ia ki a pongpongi. Au whia langi I hangahi taimi, kai lahi alo maari e pe. Malawa ke hangahi uha tū mo tō māma, vai whanua ko ia o wawau, pa pēwhoki, I hangahi wheitu e ngahi vai whanua o tonga, kai lahi ke alo maari e pe pōni o au ki a pongpongi. Koe fua maa whanape koe maulalo taha e au ki he maulalo koe tikiri sosiasi e tahiwa wanoa ki Tongatapu pe mo eua, ua tolu iki wawau pe mo haapai pe au ki he tikiri e waono ki he vai whanua ko ia o eongo niwa. Koe haviri upa mei he hahake toki lau hahake ki Tongatapu pe mo eua, hahake, tonga hake ki wawau pe mo haapai pe tonga hake ki he vai whanua ko ia o eongo niwa. Ai mai re tahi e tahanima ke hua noa, hike hake hua noa ki he hua nima I hangahi taimi, haviri hako e tau te whito ben ke vai whanua pa mo potu tahi ko ia o eongo niwa, pe pēwhoki ke potu tahi ko ia o wawau, ka koe vai whanua mo potu tahi ko ia o haapai pa pēwhoki Tongatapu pe mo eua, mai re tahi pe ia tahanima, hike hako hua noa I hangahi taimi. Whamatala ea ko ia ki a pongi. Whatoa ngā iangi hoko pe alo maari e ka pongpong tala noa tatau pe lahi alo maari e pe ki a pongpong ki he kotoa ho tau ngahi vai whanua. Pe mei he whakatoke lau pe o au ki he whakatoa ngā ki Tongatapu mo eua. Lahi alo maari e ai o tu tonga ki a pongpongi. Pe a maulunga tahane fua maawhana. Tikiri sosiasi ua fitu ki Tongatapu mo eua. Waono ua fitu ki Tongatapu mo eua. Ua wālui ki haapai. Pe mo wawau, pe a ua hiva ki he ongo niwa. Ko e taimi ko ia o e tahi. Tau maari e tahi o sinima koe pe me hongo fulu I he pōni pe a mahatoka ia. I he toe nima ko ia ki he whā. I he hengi ia a pongpongi. Ka koe la a pa mo e mahina, hopo e la a I he ostahataha pa me fitu. Pe a tō e mahina o si walu ko e pa me hongo fulu I he pongpongi a pongpongi. Aho nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa ka mata e pa me he whalaite o au ki he tōsite koe o ke kahau. Lahi alo maari e pe aho nima ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa. Ka koe monite pe koe kamatanga koe ui kau, malawa ke hau ua tu mato ki he pō monite koe ia. Kamatanga ui ke kahau, ka lahi alo maari e pe aho nima ka hoko mai. Fua mawhana koe malunga taha, e au ke tikiri e ua fitu ki he ua walu. Pe a koe taumatanga pe ke hau ni, malo pito mo mea mai, ka mo mea.
Ko ino ke lelenga ia mo e whamimitaha o e whamatala ea pia mai tuunga o ea ki Hawani. Ka ki mua patau mawai tau te wakai peheni ki he ngahi ulu ngō. Mea a prinisi tau whaahau o whailunga I aneafi ai aho whamaman lahi o e o seni. Alelea pale mea o tonga me pale mea o Haamoa ke toi whakatuu ai halanga wakapuna wholau o hanga tonu me tongani ki Haamoa pia mi Haamoa ki tongani. Pea ola lelei, ahono ngau ea ke senta fitu utaki tokoni ai potu ngai whanua mo I kolofkai na tula, ki hono tali e ngahi launga e kakai whikau aki mo I kaweinga ki he kelekele. Pea mo I kakate pea mo uni o ngongo mo letio, ka uma afu televisioni tonga ki he Hawani mo I ai whakaamu, na ea utonu atu ki he loto whale ai tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo e te tau keiwhi au mai, ko au sanolita atu I vai, ka mo mea. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, Prince Taufa'ahau launches Children Ocean Conservation Book on World Ocean Day yesterday. Tonga and Samoa Prime Ministers discuss establishing a direct air route between Tonga and Samoa. And Land and Natural Resources Ministry call centre improving response to public land complaints. We'll have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather update. Now for the stories in details. Prince Taufa'ahau Manamataongo marked Tonga World Ocean Day celebration yesterday by officially launching the children's book, Mele and the Maps of the Great Blue Kingdom. The prince also became the first person to read from the publication, highlighting its important message of ocean conservation for young readers. This program, Lydia Taukapo was there and filed this report.
The launch of the book was the centerpiece of Tonga's World Ocean Day observance, as the kingdom joined the countries around the world in commemorating the annual event that promotes the protection and sustainable use of the world's oceans. This book was written by Whanonga Wainga Mawhileo. The book aims to help children better understand the importance of caring for and protecting the ocean for future generations.
Every morning, she walked along the beach. She listened to the waves. She watched the colors of the sea change with the sun. To Mele, the ocean felt alive, like a friend with many stories. One morning, Mele saw something sparkling in the sand. It was a bottle, glowing like it held a tiny sun. Inside was a rolled-up map, but not a map of the land. A map of the ocean, Mele whispered. A wise old turtle named Tavake popped up beside her. The ocean can be mapped, he said softly, not to control it, but to care for it. He invited Mele onto a shore, and they glided into the water. As they traveled, Mele saw how busy the ocean was. Children splashed in the shallows, boats moved between islands, fish darted between coral gardens, and turtles ate seagrass. Whales swam in the deep blue. The ocean is full of life, Tavake said, and when too much happens in one place, the ocean gets sick. They swam further and saw trouble. A boat zoomed too close to the reef, and it drifted into a whale's path. An anchor dropped into the soft seagrass. Mele looked worried. The ocean looked like it was hurting. Tavake nodded gently. And that's why Tonga makes plans, he said, to help the ocean and to stay safe.
The launch formed a part of activities organized by the Environment Division of the Ministry of MEDEC to commemorate World Ocean Day and encourage environmental awareness among young people. Speaking during the program, Crown Princess Naitakala emphasized the importance of protecting the ocean, noting that Tonga is largely made up of ocean and that many Tongan families rely on marine resources for their livelihoods.
Tonga is 99.9% ocean, and our ocean feeds us, protects our islands, and carries our culture and stories. It is home to fish, turtles, whales, and many other creatures that make our islands rich and alive. We believe something simple: when we take care of the ocean takes care of us. The Bible also teaches this in Genesis chapter 1, verse 28. God gives people dominion over the earth, meaning we are trusted to look after creation with wisdom and care. That is why Tonga has set two important goals: 30% of our ocean fully protected and 100% of our ocean cared for in the right way. Marine protected areas help us to reach these goals. When we protect special places in the ocean, the fish return, coral becomes healthier, and our coasts stay safer, and families who fish have more to catch. A strong ocean means a strong future. Caring for the ocean begins with learning, and learning begins early. The storybook we launched today, Mele and the Map of the Great Blue Kingdom, helps young people understand how Tonga plans its ocean. It is the first in a series to inspire and guide our future ocean guardians.
Meanwhile, the CEO of Ministry of Meidek, Sione Akauola, said the celebration serves as a reminder that Tongans are people of the ocean and have a responsibility to use its resources wisely, while ensuring it remains healthy and clean for future generations.
For generations, the ocean has carried our ancestors across vast distance, sustained our communities, and shaped our identity. It has provided food, livelihoods, culture, and connection. As many of our elders often remind us, when we take care of the ocean take care of us. That is why themes we celebrate today are so important. Strong maritime protected areas for our blue planet, and call for climate change, no delay, act today. They are not simply themes for a week of activities, they are a call to action. Today our ocean faces growing pressures from climate change, coastal erosion, and declining marine ecosystems. The choice we make now will help determine what kind of Tonga we leave for future generations. Yet, there is reason for hope. Hope is found in the participation represented here today. Hope is found in the work of Ocean 7 and our government ministries. Hope is found in our communities who continue to protect and care for our environment from ridge to reef. And most importantly, hope is found in our young people.
A ceremonial cake cutting by Prince Taufa Ahau also formed part of the celebrations. Students from Tupo College, Tonga High School, Up for All College, Ocean of Light School and Government Middle Schools participated in the event through songs, poetry and speeches highlighting the importance of ocean conservation.
From shallow water to the deep sea floors, a million voices we can't ignore. The ocean's day.
Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
Yesterday, discussions were held between the Prime Minister of Tonga, Lord Fafanua, and the Prime Minister of Samoa, La'aulilia Malieto Shamit, focusing on strengthening close and sustainable relations between the two countries. Let's take a look.
One of the key topics raised during the talks was the need to establish a direct air route between Samoa and Tonga, allowing flights to operate directly between the two countries without transiting through other nations. The meetings also reflected the shared political background of both leaders, who previously served as speakers of their respective legislative assemblies before becoming prime ministers. The discussions also covered priority areas for both countries, including opportunities to further strengthen cooperation and bilateral relations between Tonga and Samoa. During his visit, Prime Minister Lord Fafanua also met with the Speaker of Fiji, Honourable Filimone Chitoko, to discuss a range of regional issues. He later held an international meeting with New Zealand's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Foreign Affairs, Honourable Winston Peters, in Samoa. That meeting focused on energy and fuel issues, including financial costs and comparisons between Tonga and New Zealand, as well as transnational crime, national security, and cooperation in the fisheries sector. Lord Fafanua also visited a major manufacturing company in Samoa, Faro, which produces goods locally before exporting them to international markets. The visit provided an opportunity to observe how local businesses can create sustainable employment, develop technical skills, and contribute to economic growth. Lord Fafanua expressed hope that such experiences would inspire Pacific countries to strengthen local production, increase domestic revenue, and encourage people to develop their own businesses and sources of income. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
The Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources says its newly established communication centre is effectively improving the way public complaints related to land issues are being handled. The Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Dr. Tanila Fusumalo, says it is continuing its efforts to respond to public concerns as quickly as possible, particularly issues related to land matters and other related services requested by the public. A dedicated call center has been set up, supported by free toll-free telephone lines, aimed at making it easier for members of the public to follow up on their applications or raise concerns related to land issues or any other matters under the ministry's responsibility. Dr. Fusimalo said the establishment of the call center was driven by the high cost previously faced by the public, especially Tongan living overseas, when trying to contact the ministry to check on their application or raise concern. Dr. Fusimalo also noted that the call center has been operating for about 1.5 months and has already shown positive results, with staff responding to inquiries received through the toll-free lines and emails. However, the ministry says this initiative is part of its ongoing efforts to improve services and better address the challenges faced by the public in accessing land-related services. And the Ministry of Health is planning to build a dedicated eye surgery facility in Tonga due to the increased number of Tongan affected by non-communicable diseases, which are also causing complications in other parts of the body, including vision and eye health.
The Ministry of Health has a plan to establish a specialized eye surgery facility at Viola Hospital, as more patients are being referred to Viola with vision-related problems. The Minister for Health, Wakava Meliku, there are ongoing efforts and development planned within the ministry aimed at ensuring that more medical treatment can be carried out locally in Tonga, reducing the need to send patients overseas for treatment. He adds that many patients currently have to be sent to countries like New Zealand or Australia for eye treatment. A local facility would reduce the number of medical evacuations, saving time and cost. Overseas treatment is expensive, covering flights, accommodation, and medical costs. Local surgery would significantly reduce these expenses for both the government and patients. Meanwhile, there are also plans to upgrade one of the existing rooms at Viola Hospital to allow for eye surgery procedures to be conducted in Tonga. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
That is your local scene for tonight. Sports is up next after this break with Pia Olie.
Welcome back in sport. The Tonga Boxing Association is turning to agriculture to help fund the sports development and future projects. Association President Nakita Tuitawake told the Radio and Television Tonga Sports News that planting taro and other crops will provide financial support for the association's operations and long-term plans to build a boxing facility. Tuitawake also acknowledged the support of the Tongatapu Constituency 1 Council through its Member of Parliament, David Lampuloka. Meanwhile, national coach Peter Kenke has called on coaches from boxing clubs around the kingdom to continue developing youth athletes. The association's next championship is scheduled for the 24th, 25th and 26th of this month, with coaches expected to prepare their boxers well for the competition. Secretary General Elone Tamilau thanked umpires who volunteered their services during the association's first tournament held on Saturday. Tamilau says training programs are in place to develop new umpires, while experienced officials continue to assist at competitions. Meanwhile, rising boxing star David Malbo is in New Zealand competing at the Golden Gloves Championships and has advanced to today's finals.
And that is Bia Olie with the latest sports news. And the latest weather update to be presented by Inokelelenge from the Tonga Meteorological Services.
Good evening and welcome to your weather update. What to expect for the next 24 hours? Fine weather for all of Tonga. Except the wind, strong southeasterly wind will continue to persist to the north over the Niue. Taking a look at the satellite imagery, no significant clouds were observed over our islands today, except these low clouds that moved in from the east and also from the southeast, and this reflects fine weather that we experienced today. So here's our warning that remains valid. A strong wind warning remains in force for the Niue land areas, and also for the coastal waters, a strong wind warning, small craft advisory remains in force for the Niue Vava'u, and also Ha'apai coastal waters. For the next 5 days, our current condition is driven by this high pressure remains to the far southeast, bringing in the wind from the east and also from the southeast. But as we head toward the end of this week, this high pressure is expected to move eastward and away from our areas, while a trough that will build to the southwest. So we're expecting this trough to move into our areas of responsibility, reaching Tongatapu and Ewa by the start of next week, with some showers and also possible heavy rain with occasional isolated thunderstorm are also possible. Forecast from tonight up until tomorrow morning, we're expecting fine weather for all of Tonga for tonight, except cloudy period, but will be mainly fine for the Niue, Vava'u, Ha'apai, also Tongatapu and Ewa for tonight. So here's the minimum temperature. The minimum temperature will be dropped down to 19 to 20 for Tongatapu and Ewa, 22, 23 for Vava'u and Ha'apai, and up to 26 degrees Celsius for the Niue. Wind from the north, south, and also from the southeast, east for Vava'u and Ha'apai, southeast for the Niue, northeast for Tongatapu and Ewa, 15 to 20 knots, rising up to 25 knots, especially for the Niue and also for the coastal waters of Vava'u. But for Ha'apai and also Tongatapu and Ewa, 15 to 20 knots at times. Forecast for tomorrow, mainly fine again for tomorrow. Sunny at times, will be mainly fine, apart from cloudy periods, but will be mainly fine tomorrow. With the maximum temperature will be around 27 for Tongatapu and Ewa, 28 for Vava'u and also Ha'apai, and up to 29 for the Niue. Tide prediction, high tide will be at 5 minutes past 10 p.m. tonight, and low tide will be at 5 minutes to 4 a.m. early tomorrow morning. Sun and moon sunrise will be at around 11 minutes past 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonset will be at around 8 minutes to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. Lastly, with the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting by Friday up until Tuesday next week, will be mainly fine. For the next 5 days for Nuku'alofa, except Monday, we're expecting showers, evening showers for Monday next week, but will be mainly fine for the next 5 days. And the maximum temperature will be around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius. And that will be all for tonight.
That is Inokilelenga with the latest weather updates for this hour. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Prince Taufa'ahau launches Children Ocean Conservation Book on World Ocean Day yesterday. Tonga and Samoa Prime Ministers discuss establishing a direct air route between Tonga and Samoa. And Land and Natural Resources Ministry call centre improving response to public land complaints. And that's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. I'm Snorita Tuivai. Good evening.